I can eat whatever I want to eat. It's no problem for me. Thanks for all doctors here.
Good morning, everyone. We have today our brother Mr. Naji from Yemen, and we like to see his experience with our treatment. Yes, please, Mr. Naji.
Okay, assalamu alaikum. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. My name is Nagi Hotter. I came from Yemen. I came to fix my teeth over here. I have some, before I have a lot of problem in my teeth. I have too many spaces between all my teeth, old one, almost broken teeth. I have sensitivity teeth before. Now everything is okay. I speak to Mr. Dr. Aman Ahuja. He's a gentleman and professional doctor. Is very good, and he give me advice to fix all my teeth for the future. It's gonna be a very excellent future for you, for your and my teeth. I told him okay. They took me at least 10 days to fix all my teeth, brand new, big smiling. I eat whatever I want to eat, no problem for me. And also I want to many thanks for all doctors here. They give you all treatment very excellent and very nice, really. There's no lie. Everything's okay. Now I have big smile and I have strong hair, teeth. Over here, you can see it. Over here, I can eat whatever I want to eat. It's no problem for me. And much better than before. I have advice for me, for any patient you want to come to Cosmodent India to fix his teeth, come over here and we speak to Dr. Aman Ahuja, and he give you all treatment, excellent, very high, professional, and thank you very much. I hope this advice go to you and thinking about it, about your teeth, and come here, and thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Naji, and we hope you have safe journey. And really, we are glad you visit us and you have this good experience. And we hope if any patient also looking after for any type of treatment, of course, with Dr. Aman, it's the excellent services with the team also. And thank you so much being with us, Mr. Naji.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you, I appreciate that.
Thank you.